All right, what's up, guys? My name is Marcus. Today's video we have the Urth Lens ND filter. This is a 58mm. Just wanted to do an unboxing of this because this is like a really unique box. So in the front here it says look through the light, capture the shadow, balance what you see, make the light your own. Circular lens filter, consciously designed. Positive impact, whatever the fuck that means. Create a better future. Wow, they're really trying to hype you up on this. So keep it wild, please recycle. And then consciously designed in Australia, assembled expertly in China. Expertly assembled in China. That's a little weird. It's like a really familiar fucking saying. Apple, designed in California, assembled in China. Same exact thing. They're just trying to make it sound fancy and stuff. But the packaging has been done very well. You guys can even see right there is what it is, 58mm 8-layer coat, Japanese glass. What does that say? Go gently into the nature with a camera in your hand. Right there. All right. Nothing else. This was about $52 on Amazon. So let's get to the unboxing. Just a little pull tab right here. Oh, that's pretty dope. I just planted 5 trees just like that. That's really unique. You got some other perforated edges that are not cut. So do I pull it? Oh, that was quite satisfying. Okay, fail. Okay, so it broke on this side, but it ripped on that side. Interesting. Okay, so in order for me to plant the trees, I have to enter in this code right here. Apparently I got to go to that website and so I can plant the trees. I'm not too sure. I haven't been to their website at all. But when I was on Amazon, I saw their unique little storefront, really uniquely designed, kind of like, that was a long time ago, I don't know.
I know. But how is it?
What do you mean
When
how?
you eat it?
I mean, that was a couple days ago. Kind of like Moment Lenses does the same exact type of like advertisement. All right, so I did take it out of the box right here. So let's see what it has here. Plastic material. Another consciously designed positive impact. Tells you what the filter is. ND filter, 58mm. So nice little case. And what else is in this box? A little O and a nice little microfiber cloth, I guess. And it says Urth right there. It says Urth. I guess they really care about the Earth. Okay, there we go. Got it right here. Pop it open for you guys. That's a little hard to open. You're just supposed to dig your nails in there. Okay, there we go. Okay, so my bad. This isn't plastic. This is like an aluminum tin or metal tin, whatever it is. And here's the lens. Wow. Not a single like speck of dust on that. Looks pretty clear. All right, here we go. Here's a closer look at it. Here's a look at the side. The measurements on it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It was just an unboxing of the ND filter. I just wanted to show you guys the little details of this little lens filter. Hopefully it's actually focusing on this and not my face. So if I actually took this, you guys can see how it goes from light to dark. And what they say about this one is that because it has the stopping, the lock, so it stops from here to there. So you don't get that weird like X thing they keep talking about, some sort of like X flares that you get with an ND filter, a variable ND filter that is. So we actually have it here right now. This is on the Sony ZV-1. So I'm actually gonna give you guys a little test footage. Let's go outside. We made it out to the backyard. You guys can see we have a lot of sun. You guys can see nothing's overexposed right now because I'm using the built-in ND filter on the Sony ZV-1. But right now we got the built-in ND and we're about f6, f7 for focus right now. Got the lens filter right here. But what I'm gonna do right now is go into the settings and turn off the ND filter. Alright guys, now that we have the ND filter off, this is f11. It's actually maxed out right now, 1/60th of a second, 4K, 30 frames per second. You guys can see a lot of things are overexposed and just not the right exposure. So here we go, we got the lens filter here. All right. Oof. Oof. What is that? Is that the X-ray? Is that color shifting, or is that just? I'm not even too sure what that is. That's f8 right now. f1.8. That's interesting because we're only at the minimum distance, aren't we? Oh no, we're not. Fail. Okay. Oof. I need my phone. Lowest setting right now, so we're only at an f10. You guys can see everything's still kind of a little bright there. Just everything's in focus, that's why. So here's how it looks. I'm just gonna grab my phone here and take a video. Alright, so we have it there. I'm going to turn up the intensity on it. There we go. Oof. F8 right now. If we just keep on turning this bad boy. Now we're at f1.8, but I'm not too sure. I can't even see myself on the screen really. I don't know if there's any X shifting going on right now. You guys will just have to tell me what you guys see in this video. Right now we're at f1.8, ISO 250. Do I have that blurry background? I'm not too sure. Hopefully you guys can see if that's blurry or not. And then if I turn this, now we're at f5, still looking pretty good. That's a weird color shift. I'm not too sure what I'm seeing on my display right now. But as I shift that ND filter, something's become bright, something looks like a little color shifting, but not too sure. We'll have to figure that out. But right now, this is it at its maximum. So, ooh, there we go, maximum f1.8 right now. So that's pretty much it, guys. Let's go back inside. Yeah, that's okay. Alright guys, that was pretty much it. Just an unboxing, first look at the Urth lens filter, ND filter. And that's about it. Peace.